Hi there, this is Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with one beginner tutorial about how to draw a simple butterfly. Let's start. For drawing, I need paper, pencil, eraser, scale, marker and crayons. The body start by drawing a big W shape in the center of the paper. This shape will be the butterfly's body. Draw the line in middle to make a proper divide. The wings start with right side of bottom of W shape. Draw two wings. Make sure the top of the part touch the body. Erase the middle line and draw the body of the butterfly. Draw the antennae from the top of the body. Now add details the wings inside the wings. Draw various patterns and shapes. Butterflies have lots of colorful wings design. You can get creative here by adding lines, dots and curves. Now it's time for coloring. Add color once you are satisfied with your butterfly's outlines and details. You can add your color using color pencil markers or crayons. Butterflies come in a wide range of colors, so feel free to get creative with your color choices. Here I choose two color pencils, that is orange and black. Drawing a butterfly can be a fun and creative activity for kids. Remember, drawing is all about practice and creativity. Don't worry if your first attempt does not turn out exactly as you imagine. The more you practice, the better you will become at capturing the unique beauty of butterflies in your drawing. final touches, review your drawing and make any necessary adjustment, erase any unnecessary guidelines, and make sure the lines are clean and clear. That's all for today. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.